Hello everyone, my name is Rizzo Rodriguez. Today I'm going to show you the new Tahoe 2022, which comes with 3.0 diesel engine or 5.3 V8. The fuel economy is 20 miles per gallon in the city or 26 on the highway. Also, it comes with amazing safety features, 7 airbags, ABS brakes, emergency braking, forward collision alerts, and also we offer this amazing car with warranty. It comes with a warranty 3 years or 36,000 miles. It comes with, or could be the premium warranty, which comes with 60,000 miles or 5 years. This amazing car comes in 4 different versions, which is LS, LT, Premium, and Z71.